Hi guys, welcome to Mind Data. So today we are talking about how to overcome fear. So what is fear? Did anyone see fear, or is it just it is a feeling we get when we are scared of some things. So that is what we are going to discuss today: how to diffuse fear. So one of the greatest authors, Napoleon, had said, fear, it is whatever mind conceives, whatever mind believes. Ultimately, that is what you're going to achieve in life. So fear is what is stopping us from being successful in life for many people, not only for you and me. For many people, fear is one of the greatest factors which is stopping us from achieving success. So today we'll be sharing you 5 tips of how to overcome fear. The first tip is visualization. How do you want to visualize yourself? You want to visualize yourself as someone scared, or someone who is fearful of achieving success in life, or you want to visualize yourself as a successful person and who has achieved great heights in life. How do you want to visualize yourself? Forget achieving that, but how do you want to visualize yourself? Visualizing yourself as being successful has its own positive effects in your life. So try to visualize yourself as always having achieve great heights or achieve great goals in life. Just start visualizing yourself, and that has a positive effect on your total outcome of whatever you are doing now. Maybe business, maybe training, maybe coaching, whatever you're doing now. Just visualize yourself so that you are successful, and that has a positive impact on the final outcome. The second tip what we can share today is kill the inner critic you have in you. So there is an inner critic. Whatever you tell, whatever you want to do, there is an inner critic which says you cannot do it, or which tells this is not possible, so you stop doing this. So this inner critic, if it is a consistent thing which is happening to yourself, then this inner critic will kill the talent you have, kill the mind, the positive mindset you have. The inner critic will kill that. So before this inner critic kills your talent and also kills the success you want to achieve, you should kill that inner critic. So how do you kill that inner critic? Just think that fear is born. No one is born with fear. It is something which we have gained midway. Maybe after we were born, maybe 10, 12 years after we were born, we started fearing for things. So that is where fear is learned after we are born. So believe that whatever is learned can be easily unlearned. So just believe that this can be unlearned. Whatever fear you have, you learned it midway, and this can be unlearned. So how do you unlearn this? Just by again visualizing that you are being successful. So tip 3 of removing fear. The tip 3 is do the reverse of what you are fearing. Just do. Suppose you are scared of talking in public. Just visualize yourself and do the reverse of just reverse of you are speaking with 100 in a group of 100 people. You are addressing 100 people and talking to them. So you visualize yourself the reverse of the fear. Whatever you want to do, whatever is scaring you, just go and do the reverse of it. So when you are trying to do something reverse, then that kills the fear in you. So when you're scared of talking in public with 100 people, just think, you visualize yourself that you're talking with 100 people, and that visualization should be consistent. Suppose you're doing it for 10 minutes today, you can do it for 15 minutes tomorrow, maybe 20 minutes, then that goes on. So the more you visualize yourself, the more the impact it has on your success rate. So this is the third tip of killing the fear. So the tip number 4, the rejection challenge. Try this. Imagine this. Can anyone reject you or put you down without your consent? Is it possible? Definitely not possible. So just don't give that consent to anyone to to put you down. And to put you in depressive mood. Don't give that consent, because without your consent, no one can put you down. Remember that. Without your consent, no one can put you down. So don't ever give that consent. Tip number 5. Always remember to congratulate yourself or give yourself some gifts. whenever you're successful, don't measure the quantum of success. Do not ever do that mistake of measuring the quantum of success, that once I reach the greater success, I will give myself something. Even small things will help you. Even small things like if you wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning without the alarm buzzing off, that is also a success. If you're reaching your office in time, that is also a success. So start complimenting and congratulating yourself with gifting yourself continuously, so that it will help you to be you take the success, small little successes seriously, so that will lead you to bigger success. So remember these 5 tips, and believe me, once you start implementing these 5 tips, it will lead you to the goal you are waiting for. Just implement these 5 tips. So you can reach us on our website www.mindadda.com, or you can follow us on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. See you next time again. Bye bye.